Number 6 is the example section. And remember that examples are specific historical examples, and we want something that is a well-known example if possible. If it's not a well-known historical example, that's okay. We'll just need to make sure that we explain it clearly how it is an example of the wisdom of this quote. And so we can use examples from scripture. We can use examples from history, from literature. So maybe a book that you're reading in omnibus, you could use an example from that. I will allow examples from movies as long as you can prove to me that it clearly illustrates this wisdom. So you need to maybe do a little bit of research here. An example of a person that showcases that being a good Christian makes him or her a good citizen as well. And there are many possibilities that you have here, because there are lots and lots of historical figures that have been extremely outspoken about their religion and how it has impacted their political lives. And so I will just give you a hint that if you look up George Washington, you are going to find a lot of helpful things there. But there are plenty of other examples. And so as you go through this, the recognition is, again, you're just recognizing the truth of this statement. And so that being godly makes you a good citizen. Whatever your example is, the reversal is going to show how this wisdom caused something to happen that was different than what would have happened. And then as you go through, just remember the agents are doing the action, and the manner is how the agent is doing the action, and the cause is what were his motivations for doing that action. And so in your rough draft, you're going to introduce your historical figure. And so you're going to say, blank serves as an excellent example of Webster's wisdom. So if you were using George Washington, you'd say George Washington serves as an excellent example of Webster's wisdom. And then you're going to kind of go through the story that you got in your example of how he actually showcases that wisdom.